Creating a positive, engaged workplace culture is more important than ever, especially as remote and hybrid work environments become the norm. Recognizing employees regularly and meaningfully helps boost morale, improve retention, and foster a stronger team dynamic. That's where Bonusly is built for. Bonusly is an employee recognition and rewards platform designed to help companies celebrate achievements, promote core values, and encourage peer to peer appreciation. It empowers employees at all levels, not just managers or HR, to give recognition points to colleagues, turning everyday wins to meaningful moments of appreciation. Whether you're part of a small startup or a larger organization, Bonusly offers a lightweight but effective way to build a culture of recognition. In this video, we'll walk through how Bonusly works, what it offers, and how teams and HR professionals can use it to reinforce positivity and engagement in the workplace. So now simply head over to bonusly.com, and from here you can start your free trial. So simply click on start free trial and create your account. So after signing up for an account, you will now be redirected to your dashboard right here. So as you can see, this is how your dashboard will look like. So from here, you'll see your company, your team, for you, and a feed. So basically, it's like a social media for all of your workplace or your company. So as you can see, these are the sample feeds or sample data. So you'll see all of this. So you can see we have a post right here saying thanks for being such a key part of this team. And of course, you can add a comment right here. Also, you can like this post. When you scroll down, you can also see other posts such as happy birthday posts. As you can see, this is how it works. So basically, it's like uh, Twitter for your workplace. So to start a post, you can always click right here, start a post. Now add the details or description of your post. You can celebrate with a teammate. You can add emojis, GIFs, video or image, and you can also add a link and tag a user. So if you're currently confused on what to do, you can always click on this blue box in the bottom right. So from here, as you can see, this is how you can get started. So 5 steps. So first step is you want to invite your first teammate. So let's click here, invite. As you can see, we'll now be redirected here. Click on invite teammates. So from here, you can uh, type in the member or your team, or the name of your team member that you want to add. As you can see, invite multiple users by separating emails with commas. So simply add in their emails. You can add a personal message and select their account permissions. So after doing that, just click on send invite. Next thing you can do is add a company value hashtag. So click on add a hashtag. Will now be redirected to our settings. So as you can see, this is our hashtags. So you can create hashtags right here. You can add your own hashtags. Next, you can give your first recognition. As you can see, it's basically starting a post. Shout out a teammate by adding their username. You can also add an amount of recognition. So basically, the recognition here is based on points. So yeah, at least we can add 10 points. We can add hashtags. And of course, simply click here on give recognition. Next, we can add a custom award. So we can set up the award right here and of course add our payment method. So basically the features of this platform includes also rewards. So this is our rewards history. So let's say you have a reward balance from your boss, something like that. You will see it all right here. So we have categories right here. So you can see we have shop all. We have all of this right here. So you can see. So let's say you want to use your points in the supermarket. You can always click right here, as you can see, and you can claim all of your points. And you can use these points to buy something from this supermarket. Next, we also have the incentive section. As you can see, you can earn redeemable points by completing tasks, participating in company initiatives or event. So we have this wellness incentive, the security training completion, survey completion. So as you can see, if you have earned this, claim this after you've completed your annual security training. So you will see all of the incentives that you've earned right here in this section. Next, we have the analytics. So we have our team dashboard. This is how it will look like. So as you can see, we will see the participation, the organization graph. Of course, we have the leaderboard right here to make it more fun. So, of course, you and your workmates will be competitive. So you'll see it all right here. We also have the leaderboard. So as you can see, this is the most recognition received for the entire company. So you will see if you're doing great, if you have received a bunch of recognitions. Next, we have participation. So you'll see all of the people or percent of users giving or receiving recognitions. We have the recognition also right here. So we'll see our graphs right here, so we don't have any data. But of course, you'll see the recognition received overview right here. Of course, our organization graph. So this is how the graph will look like. And of course, the top words. So here are the top words that we have been using or your team has been using. So basically, that's how you can use Bonusly for your team's recognition. So just simply feel free to explore more about this platform. And of course, just follow this getting started steps to get started with Bonusly in your company or your organization. So that's basically it for this video. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.